Hi, I'm Justin Richardson with Direct Colors. I want to take a second and visit with you a little bit about our acid stain DIY kit. You can find this on our website at www.directcolors.com under our acid stain section. And this is a kit that contains everything that you will need to acid stain 200 square feet of concrete. It's a nice little kit. We've got all the things put together from A to Z, from preparation to staining to sealing, finishing up the job. So I want to just unpack this box, show you what all is in here and what an unpack kind of looks like with this material. So when you open this up, it's all packed in here pretty nice and snug. We've got a handful of things in here, anywhere from prep. There's a little box, it's about this big right here. It's got a small little sample of a concrete cleaner and degreaser. This is good to clean up and get your concrete ready to go. This little 4-ounce bottle would go to 1 gallon of water and do 200 square feet of cleaning. Also in this box is a little sodium bicarbonate. We'll come back to this. This is neutralizing your acid stain. So we have this for preparation. We also have some safety gear packed in here. We've got eye protection. We've got little dust masks here for protection against light chemicals with your acid stain or something like that. Some gloves. So there's some protection gear in here. And then we also have, let's see here, a spray bottle. This is a 1 gallon acid stain sprayer is what we call it. What it is a Chapin Home and Garden sprayer, all plastic parts. I want to say, if you read the information on these, they'll say not to spray acid or caustic material through that, and that's warranty type purposes. They will not take it back after you do that, but it works just fine for the application of your acid stain, no problem. We also have some scrubbers in here. This is good for cleaning your concrete. You can get the wooden long poles to screw in. They've got little screw fittings here that are universal. Just screw it in. It allows you to clean up and agitate your concrete. You got 2 brushes in here. And then we'll get into the fun part, the acid stain. There is a gallon of acid stain. It is in quart bottles. There's a reason that we do ship these in quart bottles, but it is the equivalent of a gallon, which there again will do 200 square feet of concrete, and actually 2 applications with 200 square feet if you're spraying it out relatively correctly on smooth finish. We also have what you need to top it off with, which is a gallon of sealer. You can pick your sealers. Whenever you look at this DIY kit, you'll notice you can choose our sprayable satin finish sealer, which is a solvent based. You could choose the gloss version of that, the AC 1315, or you could use my water based, which would be my DCI water based satin gloss, or my crystal coat water based gloss. Those are all available options within the kit. Okay, I mentioned I would come back to this bag right here, which was in the first box I pulled out. The sodium bicarbonate. This is basically the same thing as baking soda. It's a neutralizer is what it is. So after you've applied your acid stain, and your acid stain has been active for the appropriate amount of time, you need to neutralize it and basically kill the acid that is active on your concrete. That's where this comes in handy. You mix this to 2 gallons of water. You can actually put it into the same sprayer that you sprayed your acid stain on with and go through and saturate your concrete completely. Really saturate it. You want to give it about 20 to 30 minutes to soak in, and then you can start your cleanup. You're going to have a lot of residue. Scrub that stuff off the concrete, get it nice and clean. Again, scrub brushes for scrubbing. Finally, whenever you're applying your sealer, we do provide you with a little trim pad. There's a variety of ways to put this on. You can spray it on, you can roll it on, but when you're getting up close to your edges, your counters, your walls, the trim pad's a handy tool to use. You could just pour a little bit of that into a metal paint tray, dip this, and get those tight, close areas with a trim pad. So this is pretty much everything that comes in the DIY kit. It is everything that you're going to need to complete 200 square feet. If you have any questions about this, please call us at 405-275-6657. We've got technical assistance on hand to help you out anytime. And then, of course, we do have a lot of information on our website, www.directcolors.com. Thanks a lot.